Welcome to the future of gaming and virtual experiences. Get ready to unlock endless possibilities with the revolutionary WebGL Meta Multiplayer Kit, the ultimate asset from the Asset Store. Imagine having the power to create your very own metaverse, a world limited only by your imagination. With the WebGL Meta Multiplayer Kit, you can bring your ideas to life with stunning graphics, immersive environments, and interactive elements. But that's not all. The power of communication is at your fingertips. The WebGL Meta Multiplayer Kit seamlessly integrates with the Chat GPT API, allowing you to interact with AI-powered chatbots and create lifelike conversations within your metaverse. Gaming is always more fun with friends. The WebGL Meta Multiplayer Kit enables you to create exhilarating multiplayer experiences, where players from all around the world can connect, compete, and collaborate in your metaverse. Security and convenience are paramount. With the WebGL Meta Multiplayer Kit, you can seamlessly integrate MetaMask, a trusted cryptocurrency wallet, ensuring secure transactions, user authentication, and access control within your metaverse. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Elevate your game development and virtual experiences to new heights with the WebGL Meta Multiplayer Kit from the Unity Asset Store. Unleash your creativity, connect with AI, and create unforgettable multiplayer adventures. Get started today and join the future of gaming.